If you want to convert any photo on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus to a PDF document, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Photos app on your iPhone. In the Photos app, just select a photo which you want to convert in a PDF document. For example, I will select this photo. Now after you select your photo, then tap on the Share button over here. Then scroll down and select Save to Files. Tap on Save. After you save the selected photo to the Files app, then go to your home screen and open the Files app on your iPhone. Now as you can see, this is the photo which I have sent to the Files app. If you cannot find the photo in the Files app, just go to the Recent section, and over here you will find the photo which you have sent. Now just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Select. Now just select the photo which you want to convert to a PDF document, or you can select multiple photos at the same time if you want to merge multiple photos into a single PDF document. But for today's video, I will select only one photo. After you select your photo, then tap on the three dots over here and go to Quick Actions. And from this pop-up menu, you will find the option of Create PDF. Just tap on it. As you can see, we have successfully created a PDF document of the selected photo. And if we tap and hold on the PDF document, then go to Get Info. Over here, you can see that the photo is a PDF document. And if we tap and hold the original photo, then go to Get Info. As you can see, the original photo was a JPEG image. Just like that. And this is how you can convert photos to PDF documents on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.